NCERT Class 6 Maths Textbook page number 78 Exercise 4.2 Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas Solved problems are given in this video. For more maths videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel Nithyavin Padivugal. First problem is classify the following curves as open or closed. Open curves will be having endpoints which are different. Start beginning point and ending point will be different. With that condition, we identify A and B are open curves. And since the beginning point and end point of curves B, D, E are same, they are identified or classified as closed curves. See, A, the given curve is an open curve. B, the given curve is a closed curve. C, the given curve is an open curve. D, the given curve is a closed curve. E, the given curve is a closed curve. In closed curves, the beginning point and end points are same. In open curves, the beginning point and end points are different. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following. Open curve, closed curve. Draw rough diagrams. So for open curve, you can draw as your wish. Here I have drawn like this an open curve with the beginning point and end point are different. This is a closed curve. It is entirely made up of line segments. Now here the starting point and the ending point are same. So this is a closed curve. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Polygon is a simple closed figure. It is made up of entirely line segments. So you should use only line segments to draw a polygon. You can draw a polygon with any number of sides. I have drawn a 3-sided polygon which we call it as a triangle, and I have shaded the interior portion. Okay, you can draw a quadrilateral, a pentagon, octagon, hexagon, septagon, like any polygon you can draw. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve. It can be drawn without lifting a pencil. It has bends also. It is a curve. Is it closed? Yes, the starting point and the ending point of the curve are same. So it is a closed curve. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. First question is a closed curve that is not a polygon. So a closed curve which is to be a polygon should be drawn with only line segments. Here we need a closed curve that is not a polygon. So I have drawn a closed curve with 2 line segments and 2 curves. Since this closed figure is not made up of only line segments but also with curves, it is not a polygon. Okay. B, an open curve made up entirely of line segments. So you can draw with your own imagination. Only one is enough. So any one is enough. Okay. We have to draw an open curve, which means only one open curve is enough. See, this is an open curve. This is also an open curve. Here I have started with some point and I have ended up with some other point. This is also an open curve. It is also an open curve. So you can draw an open curve as your wish, but remember the beginning point and ending point should be different. Now illustrate. A polygon with two sides. See, only with two sides. Here I have given two figures. The first one is having only two sides and three vertices. Only with two sides we cannot get a polygon. We need at least three sides to get a closed figure. That also, to be a polygon, we need three sides. So, a polygon with two sides is not possible. In question itself, if possible, illustrate, which means explain with a diagram or a picture. Okay. Next, a polygon needs at least three sides. See, I have written it is not possible, but we have to give the reason. A polygon needs at least three sides. The polygon having least number of sides is a triangle because it is having only three sides. Okay. Remember, a polygon is a simple closed curve with only two sides. You cannot get a closed curve. Okay. You can get a curve made up of line segments, but you cannot get a simple closed curve. Okay. So a polygon is a simple closed curve entirely made up of line segments. So we need at least three number of sides to get a polygon. Okay. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Nithyaviin Padivugal for more maths videos. Class 6 videos, maths videos will be uploaded frequently. For updates, subscribe to the channel Nithyaviin Padivugal. Thank you for watching.